Hi, this is for Monmon, for Ian, IC, JJ, Patrick, Pia, who else? Beauty, Nicole, Chen Chen, Pau Pau, Elaine, Eunice, Jambi, Erich, Christian, Denise, Allison, Hannah, for all of you kids. Still snowing in New Jersey. It's March 8th today, and hopefully the last snow blast for the year. Okay, you can see in yung mga apartment, yung bahay namin. Okay, oops, wanna see me? Okay, kita nyo ako. So now it's snowing. Para lang ako siraulo dito mag-isang naglalakad. Okay, kita nyo, kapal ng snow. Oops. So malamig dito at Makati, kaya dala-dala ko lagi yung pangkamot ko sa likod. Okay, nakita niyo yung mga puno. Yan, patay na patay, walang dahon, walang bulaklak. Yan, nag-yelo sila. So yan, ito yung harap ng bahay namin. Ito yung parking. No, hindi pala parking, playground. Ayan, good luck na lang kung makapaglaro yung mga batang makukulit dito. Patrick, okay na okay ang skateboard mo dito? Okay. So, upload ko to sa YouTube para makita nyo naman ang snow dito sa amin. Bye-bye!